Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get Discord Nitro free for 1 month, and let's get straight into the video. So all you have to do is go ahead and download Epic Games Launcher if you don't already have it installed. But once you do have it installed, go ahead and open it up, and all you want to do is download Discord from Epic Games Launcher, and it should say right here Discord Nitro giveaway. You can go ahead and just click on that and follow the steps. But basically, once you launch Discord, you will get an email. Once you log into Discord, whatever, you will get an email to the email that is associated or linked with your Discord account, and then you basically just claim Nitro, and then that is basically it. You can get it for free. And yeah, that's basically it. You don't have to pay anything, and if you want, you can either cancel the subscription like a day or two before the auto renewal, or you can keep it, pay for it. But that is how to get Discord Nitro free for 1 month. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.